Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I am unboxing my very last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus ever because Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is no longer a thing after this month, March of 2023. And I'm also going to unbag my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for March of 2023 in April of 2023. It's going to be BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So they're doing away with the plus. There's a whole thing with the Ipsy and BoxyCharm merging, and I'll make a separate video giving you my thoughts and opinions on that. But today we're just going to unbox this. I haven't opened it yet, my Ipsy Open Studios. I've been really busy. I've been outside. I've been watching my animals. I let my pigs out of their pen into like the main area. I let one of my chicken coops open for the main area, so all my chickens and pigs and goats have been just kind of like chilling because it's such a nice day out. And I have been doing some rearranging because I am going to be starting my garden this year. I still have to finish the side of my, like by the woods on the side of my house for the goats to have their new prison because they keep on escaping again. So I've been really busy outside every single day, working hard. This little farm girl over here has been working hard, so definitely stay tuned for a lot more videos over on my farm channel because it's about to get real over there. But anyways, I'm not even going to edit this video, I'm just going to upload it. So let's go ahead and open this up. And oh, I got an eyelash of the sticky part. So I am doing some rearranging in my house too, so that's why I'm doing a green screen now, because I can just be so much closer to the wall and it look pretty, you know, and all that with a green screen. And I can put my elliptical in here, get it out of the living room and all of that. So here is what I got in my Ipsy Open Studios. I have a bunch of products here. Oh, this bag is gorgeous. I didn't do spoilers this month because I, of course, was really busy. I've been Miss Lumberjack cutting trees down, and I've been doing it all by myself. So I don't know if every product in here is going to be an Ipsy Plus product, or I mean an Ipsy regular, but we'll see. The theme this month is Ipsy Open Studios. We hope you love your blah blah. Okay, step into your power. Living your best life, which right now I am living my best life because, you know, I love being a farm girl. If you guys want to see more farm girl content, definitely follow my farm channel and follow me on Instagram. I post my animals like every day. Anyways, first things first, in the little glam bag is from Tarte. This is their Sugar Rush brand. This is a lash treat. So it's a little lash treatment here. Mascara, super cool. Today I actually just put mascara on, so that's why I'm looking a little like less today, because we went a little more natural with today's look. Just a quick little just a quick little throw on because I'm just outside busy doing farm girl things. I don't know how many times I can say that, but anyways, this wasn't in the box, it was out and about. But this is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Evercalm Barrier Support Elixir. So that's an exciting product. Hopefully my camera will focus. I need to fix that. That's so annoying, huh? Then we have here, okay, I've gotten this before, and I actually got a full-size. Kinship sent it to me. I am on Kinship's PR list for like new products, but they went ahead and sent me this Bright Wave Vitamin C Brightening Cream and their Marshmallow Moisturizing Gel, as well as another one of their, what's it called? Sunscreen things. I can't think right now, but that's really good, and I'm gonna be definitely using a lot of that this year so I don't get too tan and I can't wear my foundations. But this is the under eye brightening eye cream, which I keep this and like my full size and my gel moisturizer on the side of my bed, so I just kind of lay there and put it on before I go to bed because I'm that lazy. And then I have here, what is this? Pear Nova Lunar Lip Style in Rocket Ship. I don't know what this is. I think it's a lip liner. I'm not going to open it right now because I don't really have nails right now. I kind of broke them all off doing the farm girl thing. And then I have this product here, which is also in tight wrapping. Pore Perfect Detoxifying Mud Mask. Okay. There's like writing all around it, so it's like really hard to read that. I don't know what that's about. And then we have the Hey Honey Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. That's probably going to be a really good product. Hey Honey has really good products. But yeah, the bag, so cute. Love this bag. And then we have this from Lavito, the musk and coconut scented aromatic body lotion. Aromatic. So we have this. And then, ooh, okay, so from Ofra, which you guys can use code Connor for 20% off your purchase at ofracosmetics.com. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Pasadena. I do have this shade. It's a gorgeous shade, super pretty, neutrally, love it. Wow, this camera, I'm so sorry. Here is our very last Glam Bag Plus bag ever. Take it in, you guys. We'll never have another. And then we have here from Wander Beauty, the Sun-Kissed Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Let me take a look and see what this baby is looking like. Outer packaging. And this is the inside. Really pretty neutrals. Definitely a very nice travel-friendly palette because you have a bronzer here, a blush, a highlighter, and some really pretty neutral shades. And this actually would work for me and my skin tone. So that's a good little palette to have. So impressed with that. Love that. And then lastly, we have a product that I think I will definitely enjoy. So this is from First Aid Beauty. I'm going to try using their products again. This is Mineral Sunscreen Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It's safe for sensitive skin. Because if you guys don't remember, last year I got really tan. Well, much more tan than I normally would be. And I needed to wear a lot more sunscreen because I couldn't wear really any of my foundations anymore. It was not matching anything. I was going to go out and get a new foundation just so I can have like a summer shade. That is not my jam. So, oh, I really like the component on this. So I'm definitely going to be using a lot of sunscreen this year. You can definitely hold me to it because I definitely will be. Stay tuned for more videos on my farm channel. Getting my animals up, everyday life, starting my garden, all of the things. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you guys so much. Today's actually the last day you can enter my giveaway, and I will be choosing a winner tomorrow. So I'll have that link down below for you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching and listening to my babbling. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!